Problem 6-9. Solve for all missing sides and angle measures in the triangle at the right. So I have an angle that we're given. I want to find the opposite side and I am given the hypotenuse. Therefore, that's going to be the sine of 35.7 degrees equals the opposite side. I'm going to call that x over 12. Multiply both sides by 12. And I have 12 times the sine of 35.7 degrees, which is equal to 7 units. Now I'm going to find the other side, which happens to be the adjacent side. And if you want, you can call that y. And so adjacent, that's cosine. So the cosine of 35.7 equals my adjacent side, y, over the hypotenuse, 12. Multiply both sides by 12. And I have 12 times the cosine of 35.7, which is equal to 9.75. Now the last thing I have to do is find angle A. So the measure of angle A equals 180 minus the 90 degrees minus 35.7 degrees, which comes out to be 54.3 degrees. And we have found all sides and angles in triangle ABC.